this guy played the role of um, the role of student in Three Idiots. This guy has played role in many patriotic movies, has still not talking about any kind of atrocities that has happened to the students and education system in India. Even though he has moved his son from India to a different country, so that he could have better swimming competitive training, somewhere around he knows that it's a messed up education and ground reality for students, but he is still not in India. He has moved to a different country, and he would still come to India to obviously sell us this patriotic movies, so that we can go to a theater and watch him doing this really amazing thing of saving India from any kind of terrorist attacks and everything. But he will not be speaking up for the education system of India. Next, we have Virat Kohli has also left India, who is supposed to be an Indian cricketer. He has made bucks and he has represented India in a lot of international matches. He is somebody who is representing India. He doesn't live in India, he lives in London. He has relocated with his family to London for but to enjoy more private and normal life away from India. But he will still come to India to sell us those tickets and saying that he's an Indian cricketer, and he does not live in India. He doesn't care about the education system in India. He doesn't care about any kind of harmful, any kind of atrocities, any kind of environmental issues that has happened in India. But he's an Indian cricketer and he does represent India in a lot of foreign tournaments. He did that, and now he's just coming to India to play for your tickets, and then he doesn't care. He will never speak up against um any kind of issues, any kind of social issues that affects those who are actually making him celebrity, who are making him millions and millions of rupees, but he won't care of any of those things. He will only care for the tickets, whether you buy him or not. He never cared, he never spoke about any social issues, but we will definitely support him and give him a huge money, huge celebrity boost, because he deserves so. But we don't. We only deserves to follow him and make him a lot of money. Okay. uh, Alia Bhatt, who has played role in a lot of patriotic movies, films like Razi and a lot of those. In Razi, she plays a role of a spy. Here she doesn't care. The real life Alia Bhatt doesn't care. She only likes to act in movies and then make a lot of money and then just vanish into thin air and not care, because obviously education system does not affect her. Education system does not affect her family. Education system has nothing to do with her life. Only she loves to play character that are strong independent woman but has no courage to speak up against anything heinous happening in the country, has never taken the side of the students that are actually watching her films, are actually making her a star, are actually following her on Instagram. She only posts about acting, and she only cares about acting because that is the thing that is going to make her money. And there's no thing such as taking side of the country or taking welfare for the country. What do you mean she can deserve? She's privileged enough to take a stand and actually speak up against anything horrible. She has a safety net. She is rich, she's privileged. And but okay, she doesn't need it because she knows that anytime anything is going to mess up, she can just move to a different country. She can afford that. We cannot afford that, so we have to suffer the silence of these privileged people. Alia Bhatt wants to act in a lot of Hollywood movies. She wants to be a global star, a global ambassador for a lot of brands, but she doesn't want to act like a representative of country India. She only likes to speak up good things about India, because those are the things that are going to get you forward in life. Speaking in favor of the government, speaking in favor of the government of India is the only thing that is going to take you forward in life. Do not criticize any education, any environmental, any economical it doesn't bother them. They can just go ahead and buy a new thing, and they can just move into a different country and live a better life there. But do sell that patriotic film in India. Next is Vicky Kaushal, played a lot of patriotic movies. Sam Bahadur, Sardar Udham, who have died defending the country of India. But let's support RSS. Let's just support RSS. Let's just not speak about anything heinous happening in the country. Let's not address the protest for the welfare of education system in India, but let's make a new movie about like Sam Bahadur and Sardar Udham. It is so nice that you played that character, but you failed to acknowledge any kind of political issues. It's nice that you only play patriotic in the movies, and you just never ever want to play any patriotic have any patriotic ideologies about country. It's good for you, it's good for us that we support these kind of people who are actually just so focused on their work that they don't care about anything else other than being like a really good citizens. It's nice that we are so putting them up in the pedestal. We are giving them this privilege, we are giving this platform. They're so dedicated in being actors that they don't care about anything. They don't get time to like ever speak about all the issues in India. They are so they only like to read positive news. They only like to think positive, and that's why they only speak positive issues of India, because that is the thing that is going to take India up forward in the game, right? All these celebrities have like 7 hours to watch Dhurandhar and like write a pura paragraph on how great Dhurandhar is and how amazing peak detailing by Aditya Dhar. All these celebrities have such commendable time that they only support other actors. They're so focused, they only support other actors. That's why they first like 7 hours long film and written whole passage supporting the Dhurandhar franchise, and but they don't have time for those people who have actually made them celebrities. It's really good, guys. It's bad when the only celebrity who is actually talking is Rakhi Sawant. It's just blow my mind that we are actually looking for celebrities who would be like Rakhi Sawant and speak about all the social issues that is happening in India, right? This students film Three Idiots, we watched a lot of Chichore. I remember watching Chichore a lot of times, and Three Idiots though n number of times I used to watch it. But the only person in that cast spoke was Chatur, who was actually potential villain in that movie, is only one that spoke up. But all those people, Amir Khan, R. Madhavan, and I don't remember the third guy's name, but all these people have not spoken up. They made so much money in showing us the struggles of students' life, struggle of a parent grieving their child's death, and the education system, which has definitely caused a lot of mishaps to a student's life. The film focused so much on the pressure and the struggles of students, but on ground all these peoples are missing. I grew up watching Satyamev Jayate with my father. I used to watch, I remember watching that a lot. And the host is missing. He hasn't even taken a single stand against even protecting a small tweet, or writing anything. These people are so active on podcast. These people are so active on all these films, thing that, oh, let's watch this film, why not watching my son's film, and this and that. And these people have not spoken about any kind of social issues or any kind of support. Also, they've not shown to the protest that is happening. I understand if you can't go, if you can't, even though you're privileged, I can still understand that there might be commitment that you aren't, you're not able to go to the protest itself. But a little support and having a little spine would be nice. Having a little bit courage would have been great. That supporting the person who is actually working for the changes. His character was loosely inspired from Sonam Wangchuk sir, and he is just lost. He is lost in action. Shah Rukh Khan played so many characters where he was a patriotic person. Chak De India Swadesh, so many of them, literally so many of them. But again, when the moment came, he is again lost somewhere in Mannat. So I guess Indian celebrities are really, really cowards. They don't want to speak up. They only want to talk good thing about the government. They don't want to question the government. And it kind of is a little bit shameful, because we always expect privileged people that they would, even if they get into some kind of mishap, they have a privilege to get a better lawyers, to get a better they can always they have the privilege. If I had the privilege of what these people have, I would, because they are celebrities because we have made them celebrities. It's not the other way around. We have made them what they are, and to be honest, I think we have made the wrong people celebrities.